Hey guys, uh, on this video I'm going to show you 5 best platforms you can use to make money with your blog or your website. So you don't really need much, you don't need money to join these platforms. They are free to use. If you have a platform, you are a publisher, you have a blog, a free blog, what you do, just publish posts there. Now it's time to get paid for what you're already doing. Make money. You don't need to do much. I'll show you. Right, let's get to them. 5 best platforms to make money using your blog or your website. Number 1 is AdSense. I'm sure you've heard about this. AdSense is the most popular platform which publishers use to monetize their traffic by putting Google ads on their site or blog. So what AdSense will do will pay you for putting their ads and other platforms that I'm going to show you. So what they do and what they'll pay you for is whenever they put their ads on your blog or your website and your visitors click on those ads, or when they see them, then you get paid. So you see that you will be doing what you're just doing. You don't need to post different posts. You just continue posting what you've been posting, and all these platforms will do everything for you. They'll just put ads and you don't need to do much, and they will pay you for what you're already doing, which is publishing. So I don't see why you shouldn't join this, because this is easy money. And AdSense, it gives you the opportunity to make the most of your content by utilizing your skill, and this will encourage you to post more, will encourage you to do more, because you'll be getting paid. So to qualify, you just need at least 10,000 monthly page views, which is the minimum requirement to join AdSense. Right, number 2 is Media.net. Media.net is run by Yahoo and Bing. It is one of the world's largest contextual ad networks. Its contextual as allows you to monetize your content. So whatever you've been doing there, you can monetize it with exclusive access to searches from the Yahoo and Bing network. So the marketplace gives you access to content-driven publishers. You can maximize your ad revenue and take advantage of a huge search market. So you'll be everywhere with AdSense. You're gonna have display ads. Where else with Media.net? You're gonna have search ads. So there is a lot, and the advantage is here. Right, number 3 is Propeller Ads. Propeller Ads is a self-serve platform. So yeah, what you do, you decide which ads to put on your blog or your website. So if you don't need to put the skyscraper banner size, you can put the medium one, the one in the middle. If you don't want ads in the middle of your post, you can choose to place ads on the sidebar or at the footer. So this is good because it gives you the advantage to place your ads whenever you or wherever you want to put them in your blog, so that they don't irritate your users. So this will help you where to put your ads, and you'll have full control. With lots of targeting options and real-time performance measurement, you can work reactively to improve your campaigns. So it also measures automated ad optimization, where your settings are fine-tuned by algorithm. So it gives you the best number of conversion for each ad without manual effort. So everything will be automated. You won't need to do manual work here. So what you need to do is just to do integration. You just need to integrate some code on your blog or your website. Right, the 4th one is Skimlinks. So Skimlinks is a content monetization platform that specializes in text, ad, and contextual advertising. It gives you direct access to a global network of 45,500 merchants and 50 demand partners. So there's a guarantee that you'll always have ads on your site, because there's a lot there. You can also find merchants that offer special commission to scheme links publishers through the VIP and preferred partner program. But for now, I'll advise you to use the normal account, which you'll just be using and placing the text ads on your blog or your website. The last one is Wildleaks. Wildleaks is an advertising network just like other platforms. So it offers various ad types for both desktop and mobile. So if you have visitors that are coming to your blog that use both desktop and mobile, they will see the ad. So it's not targeting only mobile users but also desktop users, including pop-up ads, mobile direct, sliders, layer ads, and full page ads. So Wildleaks is one of the best platforms to monetize your traffic with minimum payouts. So what's good about them is that you don't need to wait to make $100 before you can cash out. So if you wanna check it and to be sure that it really pays out, it gives you the minimum threshold, which is one of the good things if you are starting as a blogger and you're not sure if you can really use this for the long run. It offers instant account approval, so you don't need to wait for 2 days to be approved, and it gives fair rates, detailed reporting, daily payments. You can get paid daily, and it's 100% fill rates, as well as precise campaign targeting and self-serve platform that gives you complete control of your campaign. So traffic comes from verified sources to ensure quality and increase conversions, and publishers don't pay a fee for using Wildleaks. So guys, these are the 5 best recommended by me platforms as a publisher you can use to monetize your traffic and make money. You'll be paid for doing what you are already doing. I don't see why you shouldn't be using these platforms. If you want the link, you can check them out on the description. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.